not believe. Do you know how many times lightning strikes on Earth's surface every day and second? Lightning strikes on Earth's surface 3 million times a day. That is nearly 44 times a second. Wow! Do you know what is the temperature of a bolt of lightning? It's 5 times hotter than the sun. But it doesn't feel 5 times hotter than the sun because it's only the size of a thumb. Do you know what happens when lightning hits sand? When lightning hits sand, it forms a glass like this, which is called fulgurite. It looks like a rock, but it's actually a glass. Do you know where else lightning has been observed in the solar system apart from the Earth? Lightning has been observed on Jupiter and Saturn. Do you know what direction does the lightning travel? The lightning travels both directions, from the sky to the Earth and from the Earth to the sky. I was wondering how it travels from the Earth to the sky. Do you know how it travels? If you do, type in the comments. Tell me in the comments below which facts did you find the most surprising and interesting. I found the one which said lightning strikes 3 million times a day. That is nearly 44 times every second. Bye.